Diet Club. He's playing too. You're so cute.
He's really well behaved, huh?
Really?
Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You good luck? You better be good luck.
Yeah. It's your toy. Your toy.
They have a lot of dogs in here, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I guess like just like Richard Branson, you know, anything kind of goes. So it's super dog friendly.
Oh, that's awesome. I wish I knew that would have brought a dog. Oh, okay.
I noticed.
Yeah, we notice you, buddy. We notice you, my man.
Oh, go have fun. Don't drink too much. Okay? No drinking. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's awesome. So this is a super dog-friendly place, as he's mentioned. The casinos for here is actually pretty small compared to most casinos. So you really wouldn't want to just come here to gamble, unless you happen to be staying in the hotel. As you know, here ain't nobody here. Although it is a Friday morning, so perhaps a little bit too early for some action. Let's see if this restaurant's changed, because I remember this was one of my favorite nooks and cranny places here. It's a really cool, posh lounge. I mean, look at that. Am I lying here, Ludette? Middle Eastern themed cabana. It's pretty awesome, huh? Seriously, one of the most beautiful lounges here. Look at that. Stunning. And this bar. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, love this place. Just a great vibe, great drinks, great lounging. This here's where you check in. Check-in for me was very quick, actually. They did a great job checking me in. The exterior is definitely worth a shot. You guys need to check that out. Virgin light decor. It looks like it's thunderstorming, huh? It's actually thunderstorming out here, yo. Now this used to be the Hard Rock, and they had a huge guitar out front here. That's all gone. Hard Rock, well, to move on to the Strip. They got a bigger, even bigger property over there.
Come on in, princess.
Princess. God, you're princess. One thing about Virgin is that their decor and everything has a very contemporary, stylized look to everything. So when they remodeled this place, after it was Hard Rock, big changes from the design. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. It's really nice, huh? Super duper nice. It does look different from when we last came here a couple years ago.
Was it?
Yeah.
No.
You think it looks the same? Let's see what's down this way. Looks like they're a sports bar here. Smaller than most places. It's actually pretty tiny. But it's got pretty awesome large screen TVs. Resolution's nice. So yeah, it's pretty nice. You know, I'm mistaken. This place is pretty big. I forgot about this side. And here they got another bar lounge. The Desert Star. This is the One Steakhouse. I'm not sure if this was the one before, when Hard Rock was here. I love casinos where they have the bar in the middle like this and have the 360 view around. I do remember out this way, there used to be a Beatles memorabilia display here. Remember that? Now it's just nothing. It's just nothing, yo.
I don't like that. That looks like you're going to a bank.
Yeah, their high roller section is kind of, doesn't feel very cool. Now this feels very Virgin-esque, huh? With the reflections and everything.
Look at this night market.
This was not here before. This is different. This feels like a, here we go. Thai style night market. And I'd say that the prices are quite reasonable actually. It does have like a Thai cafe kind of feel to it, doesn't it? This is the most appropriate song for Vegas. Unholy.
100%.
100%, baby. This should be your theme song.
It's my theme song.
This looks like a simple cafe style place to eat when you're hungry.
Maybe this is what my coworker said. It's a good place.
Casa, coastal Italian dining.
You're facing the pool, so they call the beach.
This is a beautiful design. That entranceway.
Let's see.
And they do have a Nobu here, which is super fancy dining.
It's very simple.
Yeah, it's actually kind of,
I was expecting of like.
I expected something a little more fancy, quite frankly.
Fancy. Right?
All right, folks, that's it. This is the 360 view, man. If you enjoyed this walking tour, make sure you check out our other video where we check out the inside of the room, which is really nice. We do actually like the room here quite a bit.
Nice to